If you love the idea of woodworking but don't love the noise, dust or cost that come with it, there is a better way: green wood carving. Today I will show you why carving green wood, fresh wood straight from the tree, is such a calm, beginner-friendly alternative to traditional woodworking. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, my name is Anna, and on this channel I hand carve wood from locally fallen trees into useful objects like trays, spoons and bowls. I make a new video each week, so if this sounds interesting, please consider subscribing. Green wood carving simply means working with wood while it's still fresh and full of moisture, using a few simple hand tools such as an axe, a knife and a hook knife. Compared to regular woodworking, there's no need for noisy power tools, no sawdust flying around, and no complicated joinery, since each piece is shaped from a single solid block of wood. For me, carving fresh wood is like meditation. It slows my mind and allows me to focus on just a simple task in front of me. Here's the best part: you can start without a shop. All you need is curiosity, patience, and 3 simple hand tools. An axe for rough shaping, a straight knife, also called a sloyd knife, for general carving, and a hook knife for hollowing spoons or bowls. And that's it. No power outlets, no noise, no sawdust clouds. Finding wood is easy too. Unlike regular woodworking, you don't need store-bought boards. Just walk around a park or a forest and look for freshly fallen branches or logs. When choosing what wood to carve, the simplest approach is to just start with whatever's available. Deciduous trees, the ones that lose their leaves in the winter, are usually the best to go with. Woods like birch, cherry or maple are all friendly and forgiving on your tools, and carve beautifully. Evergreen trees like pine or spruce are softer, but their resinous, stringy fibers can gum up your tools and make clean cuts harder to achieve. There are so many different ways to learn wood carving. YouTube can definitely teach you the basics. That's how I started. Just search for green carving, spoon carving, or similar, and be sure to check out the channels of Samuel Alexander and Nadav Art and Wood. They are my absolute favorites. If you prefer structure, there are excellent courses and books available. I own both Samuel's book, The Green Wood Carver, Slow Woodcraft for Beginners, and Nadav's course, Calm Your Mind, a beginner's course to wood carving, and I found them both well worth the price. And if you can, join a local spoon club or visit a wood carving festival. Connecting with the local community can be deeply satisfying. You'll meet people who share your passion, and you'll quickly pick up tips and techniques from more experienced carvers. For your first project, pick something simple and achievable, like a butter knife or a tiny bowl. Commit to finishing it, no matter what. Even if it's not perfect in the end, you will have learned a lot along the way. Finishing your first carving project is deeply satisfying. It's that moment when you realize you can actually create something from a simple log. And don't forget to document your journey. Take photos or short clips so you can look back in a few months and see how far you've come. To sum it up, the beauty of wood carving lies in its simplicity. The wood is free, the tools are few and affordable, and yet the results can be timeless. To me, that's why wood carving isn't just simpler, cheaper, or quieter, it's better. It reconnects us with nature, rewards patience over mass production, and reminds us that simplest materials often lead to most meaningful creations. And if you'd like to see how my first project turned out, click this next video and maybe start your own carving journey today.